English Hindi. What is, equals.
क्या है?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, language hero. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you master the tiny but mighty question starter what is. In Hindi.
क्या है?
When curiosity sparks, you'll know exactly what to say. Let's make it fun, fast, and unforgettable. Your goal today. You'll learn it, pronounce it, and use it in real talk. Core phrase. What is?
क्या है?
Most common full question. What is this?
ये क्या है?
The flip side. This is.
ये है.
Handy for answers. Mnemonic. Think Kia. You need a key to know what it is.
क्या?
Forms and friends. Meet helpful relatives so you don't mix them up. Who is?
कौन है?
Where is?
कहाँ है?
Why?
क्यों?
How?
कैसे?
Star of the show. What is?
क्या है?
False friend tip. Don't confuse.
क्या?
What, with.
क्यों?
Why? Bizarre dialogue. Act it out. Imagine you and a friendly vendor in a colorful bazaar. You points at a shiny tool. What is this?
ये क्या है?
Vendor. This is a hand juicer. Also called a squeezy squeezer. Very technical. You. So the big question starter is what is?
क्या है?
Guide walking by. If you forget, just ask.
क्या है?
And they'll tell you. Narrator. A detective's magnifying glass only turns on when he says.
क्या है?
Otherwise it's just a fancy mirror. Pronunciation groove. Let's get it into your mouth and ears with rhythm. Do-re rising tone for a question.
क्या है?
Slow after me.
क्या है?
Medium speed.
क्या है? ये क्या है?
Clap clap, tap tap, chant.
क्या है?
Pipe.
क्या है?
Speed round, 3 times, no fear.
क्या है? क्या है? क्या है?
Culture and memory. Stick it with a story and a trick. Cartoon moment. Curious characters point at a gadget and ask.
क्या है?
History flash. In ancient Takshashila, students asked their guru.
क्या है?
When meeting new scripts. Loci trick. Picture a giant neon question mark above your desk whispering.
क्या है?
Whenever you see something new. Mnemonic. Kia. You need a key to unlock what it is.
क्या?
Confetti pop when you remember. Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I'll reveal it after a short pause. 1. How do you say what is? In Hindi? Answer.
क्या है?
2. Translate. What is this? Answer.
ये क्या है?
3. Odd one out. Which is not what is.
क्या है? कहाँ है? क्या है?
Answer.
कहाँ है?
Bonus T, F. The Hindi for what is. Is.
क्या है?
True. Your micro challenge. Ready to use it for real in 10 seconds? Look around you, point to any object, and ask out loud.
ये क्या है?
Now flip it into a statement. This is.
ये है.
And fill the blank. Extra spice. Try a cousin question 2. Where is?
कहाँ है?
Or who is?
कौन है?
Thanks and next steps. You nailed it. Small phrase, big power. Thanks for listening. Keep asking.
क्या है?
In your day and practice.
ये क्या है?
With friends. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more English Hindi lessons, dialogues, and practice tools. See you next time.